Ever wonder how to sneak a peek at what your fellow collaborators are cooking up in the kitchen of your GitHub repository? Let's dive into viewing pull requests in GitHub, so you can see, review, and contribute to code changes. First, head to the main page of the GitHub repository you're interested in. Locate the navigation bar, typically at the top of the page. Here's where the magic begins. Look for the Pull Requests tab, usually next to Co. and Issues. Click on it. This will take you to the pull request overview. You'll now see a list of all open and closed pull requests for the repository. Each pull request represents a set of proposed code changes submitted by a contributor. The list includes vital info, like the pull request title, the author, and the status. Choose a pull request that grabs your interest by clicking on its title. For example, click on the title of a pull request to view details. This is where you'll see the pull requests page. Here you can check out the description the contributor wrote. You can see the files that were changed and you can explore the code changes. Now click Files Change to zoom in on which lines of code were added, modified, or deleted. This is essential for understanding the impact of the proposed code changes. You'll see the code differences between the existing code in the repository and the code suggested in the pull request. Lines that were added will be highlighted in green, lines that were removed will be highlighted in red. Scroll to the comments section, provide your feedback, ask questions, or suggest improvements. Remember, a great pull request process involves collaboration. You're all set to review and offer your valuable perspective on proposed code changes.